People go on diets for different reasons. To lose weight, start a healthier lifestyle, or because size 0 is the new fad. Whatever the reason, the goal is often to become a better and healthier person. Here are some facts about low-calorie diet. Welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, so that you don't miss any of our videos. A low-calorie diet is one where daily calorie intake is restricted to between 800 and 1500 calories. A low-calorie diet can be effective, but it requires a lot of discipline to work and be safe. Ideally, you should seek help from a registered dietitian or doctor to not overly restrict your calories or miss out on essential nutrients. Here are few benefits of low-calorie diet. 1. Helps with weight control. One of the most important parts of losing weight via a low-calorie diet is eating less food than you need, that is consuming fewer calories than you burn up daily. A low-calorie intake helps you achieve this goal of weight loss since it involves eating a limited amount of calories daily, which means your body is using more calories daily than it is getting, thus resulting in weight loss. A low-calorie diet should be followed with guidance from a professional to ensure all nutritional needs are met. Experts emphasize it is not appropriate for everyone, especially athletes and breastfeeding women. For the average person who wants to lose just a bit of weight, simply making a few changes to dietary habits and cutting out those extra snacks may do the trick. But for someone who has struggled with obesity long-term, and who may be struggling with obesity-related illnesses like increased risk for heart disease or diabetes, then a more intense dietary change may be necessary. Very low-calorie diets are often recommended for those who, 1. Have tried losing weight through traditional diet and exercise in the past. 2. Have a body mass index over 30.3. WHO are not able to lose weight through other means. Very low-calorie diets provide just enough calories to meet your basic nutritional needs, but cut calories so drastically that it supports rapid weight loss. There are a lot of fad diets out there that attempt to use this model by encouraging you to replace all of your food with a cookie or meal bar, but without medical supervision, these very low-calorie diets can actually be quite dangerous. 2. Improve blood sugar levels. When dieting, most people tend to avoid foods containing a lot of sugar or carbohydrates because these sugars eventually become calories. Avoiding sugary and carbohydrate foods are beneficial to your health because it helps regulate your blood sugar levels. Strictly reducing calories may work to help diabetes patients by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing stress on the pancreas. If you are diabetic, don't forget to consult medical professional before you make any major changes in your diet. If you didn't watch the video about fruits that diabetic can eat and things a diabetic should avoid, follow the link in the description box below. 3. Increase lifespan. There seem to be two mechanisms by which a restricted calorie diet increases lifespan. It reduces free radical production, or the production of highly damaging forms of oxygen. That calorie restriction increases the resistance of cells to stress. Both of these are important in protecting against a number of different diseases that have a negative impact on lifespan, such as cardiovascular diseases and cancer. 4. Helps you stay healthy. When done right, a low-calorie diet often involves eating a balanced diet every day, which is an important part of healthy living. Low-calorie balanced diets often contain essential nutrients and minerals which are important to ensure the body functions normally. These minerals also help ensure that you get enough sleep at night, as well as making sure you have the required energy to take on your daily tasks. This large amount of nutrients and minerals also help you stay healthy and boost your immune system. Low-calorie diets usually comprises of quality fiber, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and lean protein to ensure you get the sufficient amount of nutrients your body needs to run daily, regardless of calorie reduction. Before you start a low-calorie diet, it's always a good idea to get a physical examination, especially if you have any health conditions such as high blood pressure or high cholesterol. However, just because the science is simple does not mean actually following a low-calorie diet plan is easy. It takes planning and effort to understand and recognize hunger cues and make sure those 1,200 to 1,500 calories are enough to fuel the body and contain the right nutrients. To know more about the foods that contain almost 0 calories, follow the link in description box below. Rather than shock your system with a combination of restricted calories and increased exercise, take the slow and steady approach. Experts suggest gradually cutting back in 50-calorie increments. Make 1 or 2 pounds your weekly weight loss goal. Along with a little patience, this allows the energy and mental attitude needed for success. While there are many benefits to trying a low-calorie diet for weight loss, these eating plans have their drawbacks and may not be suitable for everyone. Stay tuned to know more about the drawbacks of low-calorie diets. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.